Ready? Say cheese. She loves to rhyme.
The very first clue that something was wrong was the ultrasound taking a little bit too long, it seemed like, and I was like, if there's something wrong, just please tell me bluntly. And he said, your child has spina bifida. I felt completely helpless as a mother. And I had a lot of thoughts about guilt for myself because I couldn't make her right.
Many times when these moms come to see us, they don't know their baby yet, but they know it's their child even before they're born. And they're told the baby has a problem and they may not walk.
When I came down here to Houston, all I met was with love and support, and that helped me get through it. I knew what I was doing. I was fighting for a good cause, and I was fighting to keep my daughter alive.
The repair of spina bifida before birth is nothing but you're creating a barrier between the spinal cord and the amniotic fluid. Most of these spina bifida repairs that were done before with the open approach or standard approach, 58% of the kids cannot walk. So for Lily, what we did is we took a novel treatment using something called cryopreserved human umbilical cord to repair her defect using a minimal invasive approach where mom benefits as well as baby benefits. And we did this September 1st, 2020.
And I just remember thinking to myself, you know, she's going to be one awesome person. And I want to give her everything possible, and I want to give her the best quality of life that she can ever have.
What I see today is remarkable, fast forward 5 years, and to see her running around. That was our vision going back, and to see that come to fruition is a dream come true for us today.
My precious little Lily.
I knew that this kid would do something great. I'm just so proud of her.